Avocado toast is an easy meal to put together. It provides the perfect combo of healthy fats, satisfying protein, and slow digesting carbohydrates that help keep your blood sugar low and stable. Start with a small bowl. Pick a ripe avocado, cut open, and mash the avocado with a fork, leaving it slightly chunky into the bowl. Stir in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Avocados are still one of the most popular fruits out there. It's also one of the most nutrient-dense fruits too, aiding in weight and cholesterol management and hormonal balance. Drizzle a small amount of oil in a non-stick sizzling pan and let that egg fry to perfection. An egg, no matter how it's cooked, is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and protein. Toast 1 piece of whole grain bread till it's brown and crisp. Top the avocado mixture and then add your fried egg. Between the avocado, fried egg, sriracha, pickled red onion, pumpkin seeds, and scallions, you have a meal that's overloaded with beneficial antioxidants that help keep the body healthy while fighting off diseases and certain cancers.